Sudoku is a game played on a 9x9 grid, where the object of the game is to fill every space with the correct number. The grid is divided into 9 separate 3x3 squares. To complete the grid, every column, row, and square, each containing 9 spaces, needs to be filled with the numbers 1 through 9 without repeating any numbers within the row, column, or square. Some squares already have numbers filled in, so begin by looking for missing numbers in a row, column, or square. For example, if a square already has 7 out of the 9 spaces filled in, you can figure out which 2 numbers are missing. Then you can use those numbers in the correlating rows and columns to determine which of the 2 missing numbers belongs in each space. If you see a single empty space in a larger square, fill that in first. Then look for single empty squares in each row and column that you can fill in. Next, you can start scanning each row for a certain number, like 1, to see where it should go. Every Sudoku has one solution, so double-check by making sure each column, row, and square contains the numbers 1 through 9 with no duplicates or omissions. Continue using logic and deduction until you have filled in all of the empty squares. Once you've filled in all the squares with the correct numbers, you win the game.